Hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Gold Weekly Update. As you guys can see that gold is breaking its record high every day in last week. Today we are going to analyze gold chart in bigger to smaller time frame to find any possible trade entries for next week. Before we start, if you guys are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you guys never miss any updates from my channel. So without wasting time, let's get on the chart guys. So we have gold weekly chart in front of our eyes on our screen guys. As I have shared in my Twitter profile that gold was running in parallel channel. Here this is the this is the parallel channel here. Okay, let me just adjust it. So this is the parallel channel guys. In weekly time frame, gold was running in this parallel channel in weekly time frame for last week, but in last week it just broke out of it with a strong candle and closed above here at 2330. As you guys can see, I was hoping for 2314, but price just broke out of that level and closed at 2330 level. You guys can see this. I have shared a technical analysis series on my YouTube about how to learn technical analysis. In that series, in that series on a structure episode, I have shared that never ever any market goes in straight line. We all know that market never goes in a straight line. It's always go on a zigzag pattern. You guys can see this. Market always go on a zigzag pattern, but here we can see this. Gold is running straight upside over here. This is just because of the war news and the geopolitical tension, and fundamentals are working very strong over here. So there is no sign of correction fundamentally and technically right now. We can see this, the correction is due. I can see this guys, correction is due. This move is not good for gold, but we can see this guys, the trend of overall market is in upside. We can see this. Gold just break out of this parallel channel, retested it in daily time frame, and again bounce. This bounce was around of let me just see this, 620 pips guys. This was insane. Now in this type of trend, what we can do over here is just go with the trend until the trend changes. So we have to switch to the smaller time frame to find any possible long entries in gold. So guys, let's go on 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame we can easily see what is going on right now over here. See guys, this was our weekly time frame parallel channel. See how beautifully it's worked over here. If gold broke down of this, I would have shorted it, but now gold is just taking support from it. This was an initial support bounce. We can see this guys. So guys, what is the current level you can watch for long over here is, first is this last high. which is around 2304 to 2305. First, you can watch for long at this last high, and second, this demand zone over here, which gold have created in 1 hour time frame. And one thing I have already seen, that gold never tests its last high in just one tap. Is go below it, have some SL, and then again rise, just like over here. You can see this was the last high. Just go below it, have some SL, and again bounce. Same over here. This was the last high. Goes below it, have some SL, and bounce. Same over here, below it. This is the exceptional level which gold have not tested here. You can see this is the level gold have not tested over here. So you can expect a tap at this level and again bounce in future. On Monday we can expect a retracement and tap at this level of 2305 to 4, and if this zone breaks, then you can expect a tap at over here 2296 to 2280. Okay guys, let's just put fib over here. If I put fib over here, then you can see this, where is the golden ratio. 618 is around 2291 and 2281, which is around this demand zone right over here, and the 0.5 level is around the psychological level of 2300 over here. So guys, wait for retracement for buy, because buying over here is not good right now. Wait for retracement, buy at retracement, and your invalidation is just break below this low, because breaking below this low in 1 hour time frame will change the structure of gold in smaller time frame, and then it can go for down retracement, which is long due correction over. And if the correction happens, then we can expect a tap at this pending highs first of 2224 and our main level of 2078 over here. Firstly, wait for retracement, buy at bounce. How you will bounce, how gold will bounce over here, let me just show you. If gold breaks below it, tap at this demand zone, bounce a bit, just have SL, change its structure, and again tap at this level, then you can buy at this level with invalidation below it. So guys, wait for the structure change at this demand zone before buying it. Before the structure change, please don't buy, because we are already in a high level of risk over here. And gold trend is, you can see this guys, is initially an uptrend. The next immediate resistance is over here 2347 to 50. And guys, let me show you in monthly time frame. What I can see is a bigger parallel channel which is running from here. Let me just show you a bigger parallel channel. Okay, that was on log. Logarithmic. So guys, this is the bigger parallel channel gold is running right now in monthly time frame. So you can expect a tap at here which is around 2500, near about. You can see this in price line, that 2496 to 2500. Gold can tap this level very soon, but before we can expect a tap at this level 65, or it can just tap at 2500. No one knows guys, because gold is currently in uptrend and there is no change in structure. So in future I can assure you that gold will tap at this level of 2500, and again there will be a rejection. There will be a nice rejection over here at this level. And this is the monthly chart, and in weekly chart you can see this. Already we have just broke out of our parallel channel, and we are expecting a retest at it. Okay, this is in a regular time frame, and let me just hide that bigger parallel channel over here. So you can expect a tap near this retest in weekly time frame guys. Weekly time frame retest is important guys, because if gold goes straight upside, then there will be a immediate resistance of 2350. Then above you can expect a 2400 and 2500 next levels. And if any weekly candle closes just below back in this channel, you can expect a drop. And levels are already shared in our previous post, that we can expect first of this supplies, this demand zone, and again at this previous high. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy the video analysis. I have covered all the things and all the scenario of gold. Make sure you use a smaller position size for this week, because this is a very hard week ahead, and you can see this gold have a much due correction over here. It can anytime drop, but in same time it can bounce to a 2500. So guys, I hope you guys just manage your risk and use a proper position size in next week, because this week gonna be a very hard for a gold traders. And see you in the next video guys. Until then, keep trading, keep printing.